Wake up to wellness, morning bed yoga. The first rays of sunlight spill into your room. You stretch, feeling the warmth of your bed beneath you. It's a new day, a perfect time to awaken your body with some bed yoga. The morning can be a rush, but imagine starting your day in a calm and centered way. Just 10 minutes of yoga, right here in bed, can set a positive tone for the day ahead. First, we'll start with a full body stretch. Just like a cat waking from a nap, elongate your arms, your legs, your spine. Feel the gentle pull, the delicious release of tension. Now, let's do a spinal twist. Bring one knee to the chest, then let it fall across your body. Feel the stretch in your lower back, the opening of the chest. Breathe into it, surrendering to the stretch. Next, a quick forward bend. Sitting up, reach for your toes. It doesn't matter how far you reach, just that you feel the stretch. Breathe deeply, feeling the air fill your lungs, then slowly release. Now, we move to the child's pose. Kneel down, sit back on your heels, and lean forward to rest your forehead on the bed. Let this pose comfort you, grounding you for the day ahead. Follow with the butterfly pose, sitting up, bringing the soles of your feet together. Allow your knees to drop, don't force them. This posture helps open your hips and stretches your inner thighs. With every pose, let your breath guide you. Inhale peace, exhale stress. Inhale calm, exhale worry. With your body's movement and your breath's rhythm, you're harmonizing your physical and mental well-being. Now it's time for the final pose, the corpse pose. Lay flat on your back, arms and legs resting comfortably apart. Close your eyes and for a few moments, just breathe. Let tranquility wash over you. Take this moment to set your intention for the day. Consider what you wish for yourself today. A peaceful mind? A grateful heart? Whatever it is, envision it, own it. Slowly return to a seated position. Let your eyes flutter open. You've woken up not just your body, but your spirit too. You've embraced the day with grace and serenity. Remember, this bed yoga routine is your morning gift to yourself. So tomorrow, when the sun peeks over the horizon, greet it with another round of stretches and breaths. Start your day in wellness.